Ever sent money in a panic? Monese transfer speeds explained. Intro. Have you ever been stuck needing to send money fast? Maybe it's rent day and you forgot to transfer funds to your landlord, or a friend needs a quick emergency loan. In today's digital age, waiting days for a transfer just isn't an option anymore. That's where Monese comes in. They advertise fast and mobile money transfers, but how fast exactly are we talking? Can you really rely on Monese in a pinch? In this video, we're diving deep into Monese transfer speeds, breaking down exactly how long it takes to send and receive money depending on the situation. Monese to Monese transfers, instant gratification. Let's start with the best-case scenario, transferring money between Monese accounts. Here's the good news, Monese to Monese transfers are instant. Yep, you read that right. Instant. No waiting, no delays, the money appears in the recipient's account the very moment you hit send. This is perfect for splitting bills with friends, sending a quick gift, or any situation where lightning-fast transfer speeds are crucial. Moving money around the UK, faster payments. Now, what about sending money to someone with a different bank account in the UK? Monese uses the Faster Payments network, which is pretty much the gold standard for domestic transfers in the UK. Again, the news is good. Faster Payments transfers are also instantaneous, meaning the recipient will see the money in their account as soon as you complete the transfer. This is perfect for everyday transactions within the UK, keeping things quick and convenient. SEPA transfers, speedy across Europe. Maybe you need to send money to someone in the Eurozone. Here, Monese uses the SEPA network for transfers. SEPA transfers are generally very fast, but the exact speed can vary depending on the time of day you initiate the transfer. If you send a SEPA transfer before 11 a.m. Central European Time, the recipient will usually receive the money on the same business day. Transfers initiated between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Central European Time will typically reach the recipient on the next business day. International transfers, patience is a virtue, sometimes. Alright, so what about sending money further afield? International transfers can take a bit longer because they involve multiple banks and currency conversions. With Monese, international transfers can take anywhere from 2 to 4 business days to reach the recipient's account. This is still a fairly reasonable time frame, but it's important to factor it in when planning an international money transfer with Monese. Factors affecting transfer speeds, a few caveats. While Monese boasts impressive transfer speeds, it's important to remember that a few things can potentially slow things down. Weekend blues. If you initiate a transfer on a weekend or public holiday, it might not be processed until the next business day. Security checks. Occasionally, Monese might need to perform additional security checks on a transfer, which could cause a slight delay. The other bank's processing time. Remember, the speed also depends on how quickly the recipient's bank processes the incoming transfer. The verdict, Monese delivers speed, usually. So, can you rely on Monese for fast money transfers? In most cases, the answer is a resounding yes. Monese offers instant transfers for Monese to Monese transactions, and within the UK using faster payments. SEPA transfers within the Eurozone are also very quick, with same-day or next-day delivery depending on the time of transfer. International transfers take a bit longer, but 2 to 4 business days is still a decent time frame. Just remember to be mindful of weekends, security checks, and the recipient's bank's processing times to avoid any unexpected delays. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.